In this video, we're going to talk about YouTube not full screen Android. As you open up your YouTube selection on your side screen, you need to open up a video side screen which is related on your interest, for example this one. And from now on, if you want to simply go and get that full side selection of that video, you need to tap right here. And as you can see right now, it has got on your right point. But what will happen if you don't have that side selection? Simply, as you get back on that side screen, you need to make sure, right now, that as you get on that full side selection, you will need to simply rotate that side. But as you need to scroll on your settings side, which right here in the first selection you have auto rotate. If you tap on that selection, it will take you just for a portrait. You need to make sure that this button was turned on, because it will take you lead to not get that full screen set up